This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Leanne Amory Wallace. Deepwater, private lot located at the end of the street with breathtaking views. Home has been renovated and is move-in ready. Slate roof, extensive landscaping, new windows, and a new updated floor plan are great starters. New kitchen has undercounter wired lighting, quartz counters, custom-built cabinetry, new backsplash and new appliances. Enhanced door frame heights and 9-foot ceilings give this majestic home a roomy open floor plan feel. New lighting, new bathrooms, upgraded electrical system, storage shed with 2 doors. All-season room has French doors. Wolf System Composite Decking with built-in bar, new gutters more. For more information, review the details below.